I've created a monster, cause nobody wants to see Marshall no more. They want shady, I'm chopped liver. Well, if you want shady, this is what I'll give you. A little bit of weed mixed with some hard liquor, some vodka that'll jumpstart my heart quicker than a shock when I get shocked at the hospital by the doctor when I'm not cooperating, when I'm rocking the table while he's operating. Hey! You waited this long to stop debating, cause I'm back, I'm on the brag and ovulating. I know that you got a job, Miss Cheney, but your husband's heart problem's complicating. So the FCC won't let me be, or let me be me, so let me see. They try to shut me down on MTV, but it feels so empty without me. So come on and dip, bum on your lips, fuck that, come on your lips, and some on your tits, and get ready, cause this shit's about to get heavy. I just settled all my lawsuits. Fuck you, damn it! Now this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. I said this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. Little hellions, kids feeling rebellious, embarrassed, the parents still listen to Elvis. They start feeling like prisoners helpless, till someone comes along on a mission and yells, bitch! A visionary, vision is scary, can start a revolution, polluting the airwaves, a rebel. So just let me revel and bask in the fact that I got everyone kissing my ass, and it's a disaster, such a catastrophe for you to see so damn much of my ass. You ask for me? Well, I'm back. Fix your minutes and tuning in, and I'm gonna enter in and up under your skin like a splinter. The center of attention, back for the winner. I'm interesting. The best things in wrestling, investing in your kids' ears and nesting. Testing. Attention, please. Give attention. Soon as someone mentions me, here's my 10 cents. My 2 cents is free. A nuisance. Who sent? You sent for me?
Snoopy is what they say as if they knew me. Groupies on my head like a kufi. My nigga Kid Cudi, that's my little buddy. Call some hoes up and get some cutty. What's your life like? Mine's is kinda tight, a long way from hustling. That China white, my people love me, the fans love me, come on, go. If you ain't showing love, then what you call for? I don't need it in my life. My kids pay the price, but so alike in need of my wife. Smoke till I'm gone, dog on the throne. I'm worldwide known, I'm a boss in the zone. I get it how I get it, cause I can. I earn my spot, you see the plan, I was fucking with my fans. I turned out to be a better man. Importance of life, you understand while I'm pumping on this grain.
Everything I'm having, no, they ain't necessity. Though I'm shining, keep on grinding. What you see ain't all of me. Though I keep them hoes, don't love them hoes. The code in which I roll is so simple what I need. You know I keep my fam and I can't forget that tree. Na 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 na. I can't forget that tree. Na 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 na. I can't forget that tree. Na 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 na. I can't forget that tree. Na 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 na. I got my fam, dawg, I got my niggas. Got a little money, y'all, and I ain't trippin'. Most days are faded, feeling X-rated. Steady wantin' freaky hoes, and I want a lady. Holding the fam down, and my close on me. The peoples who were there when some sucker left me lonely, phony. When you see a nigga, don't approach me. Made it to the top, baby, it's on me. Catch tryna claim that they made me. However you feel, another real fugazi. I keep it 100, never frontin', no need be. I'm in another zone, no place you could see. My nigga Conyo, two haters that don't know. Local, how a nigga life and post though. The ones fans love who was always approachable, yo. And I rub the double O, smoking, eating Cheerios.